Hello guys, thank you for joining me. I am Gaurav and in this video we learn about few more body poses. If this video is helpful, please like, share and comment. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more art videos and press bell icons for more art updates. Let's start. Start with the sitting pose of the girl. Start with the oval for the head, then draw the vertical line for the whole body. If you still not learn the body poses, please watch my previous video whose link is in description. Separate the whole body in 9 equal parts. It is sitting pose, so we draw the half part of the body and draw oval for the pelvis and crunch and draw bone line for the upper leg. She is in sitting pose. One leg is up and another is down. Draw the bone line for the second leg. After drawing the bone leg of the leg, draw the bone leg of the hand at the right position. The outer line of the shoulder is on the two head point and draw the oval for the chest. If you don't know the hand proportion, watch my previous video, or you want to learn more, please post in a comment. After all, draw the face. Separate face in 4 equal parts and start with the eye. In this video I am not focused on the face because this video is for body poses. If you want to learn about proportion of the face, please write in the comment below. I make video on that. Sorry for the mosquito. After completing the face, erase all waistline. Then draw the outer outline of the face in right position, in right way. After all that, erase all waistline which is not used now. Then start the neck. After drawing the neck, focus on the shoulder. Shoulder is on two body point. One is right side and one is left side. I gave the numbering 876, so little bit up body poses are start near the 6. This is the breast of the girl, so it is little bit down from the 6. In male body figure, it is at the 6. Erase all the waistline and start the first leg, which is up of the second leg, and it is back of the second leg. So we have to first draw the second leg for drawing the rest part of the body. Draw the second leg in right position, then complete the first leg, which is behind the front leg. Erase all the waistline which is not used now. After completing the leg, focus on the shoulder. The elbow is on 5, which is mid of the stomach near the pelvis. And draw the finger properly at the right position. If you want to learn about whole right position of the body poses, please post in the comment below. I make video on that again. Or if you want to learn basics, watch my previous video whose link is in description. After completing both the shoulder, focus on the hair. Draw the outline of the hair and add some details in the hair of the girl. After completing the hair, focus on the dress. Add some dress for look more realistic view. It is short and stylish dress. After completing the dress, erase all. Now start the second pose, which is of sitting girl on the table in a stylish pose. For this video, start with the oval. Draw the oval at the right position, which is curved, and draw the parallel line for the body proportion. 9 parallel line on equidistance for the body proportion. If you want to learn more, watch my previous video whose link is in description. And draw the whole ball line at the fore. Draw the oval for the crunch and draw the oval for the chest. Draw all the ball lines of the leg. After that, draw the bone line for the hand. One hand is back and put it on the stomach, back of the stomach, so it is up of 5, and the second leg is little bit down, so it near the 5 and middle of the head. Elbow is middle of the stomach. After that, focus on the face. Face is little bit up, so the eye line is up from the middle. If you want to learn more about face proportion, please post in the comment below. I make video on that. And draw the outline of the face. After add the outline of the hair for more detailed view. Erase all the waistline. After that, after erasing all the waistline, draw the ear and a small earring if you want to draw the earring. Then start with the neck. Focus on the curve of the breast, which is on 6. Near 6, body poses are started. Back is a little bit broad because she is sitting in the stylish pose, putting hand on the back. Draw another soldier at the right position. Draw finger which is on the back of the body. After that, add details on the head. Then focus on the leg, curved. Add two lower part of the knee. After completing the upper leg, draw all the bone line. Then focus on the second leg. After drawing the second leg, draw the soldier at the right position. Soldier is on up the leg. After erase all the waistline, then draw some cloths, some easy cloths, and add some details in the cloths for look more beautiful figure. Add some sexy jeans, a small hot pant for the girls. She is sitting on the table, then draw the table at the right position. Draw all the leg of the table at the right position.